Today we're going to learn about multiplying square roots. The square root of AB is equal to the square root of A times the square root of B, if A is greater than or equals to 0 and B is also greater than or equals to 0. Now, one important property is that if the value inside the square root is the same for the numbers being multiplied, for instance, the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, they both have 2 inside the square root, then the square root is going to cancel out, and your final value is just going to be 2. I'll show you why this is the case. You can rewrite the square root of 2 as 2 to the 1/2 power. So essentially, you're multiplying 2 to the 1/2 power times 2 to the 1/2 power. Now, because the bases are the same, they're both 2, you can rewrite this as 2 to the 1/2 plus the 1/2, which is equal to 2 to the first power, which is equal to 2. So you're going to get 2 as your final answer. Now, how about if the number inside the square root is not the same? Well, what you always want to do is break up the larger numbers into its factors. So square root of 10, you can break this up into square root of 5 and square root of 2 using this property here. So now we have square root of 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 2. The square root of 5 times square root of 5, this will simplify to 5. And square root of 2 is multiplied on, so that's our final answer. Lastly, let's do the same thing with this last problem here. So we can break up square root of 6 into square root of 2 and square root of 3. We can break up square root of 8 into square root of 2 and square root of 4. To which we can break up square root of 4 into square root of 2 and square root of 2. So we actually have two pairs of square root of 2. Here's one pair, and here's the other pair. So these both become 2. And then we have a square root of 3. So 2 times 2 times square root of 3, that's just going to be 4 times square root of 3.